Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to use the strike formatting option on your text or word or sentence in your WPS Office Writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to use the Strikethrough format in WPS Office Writer? Actually it's simple. So first I just going to copy this and I just going to Strikethrough format using this Strikethrough. So after just select the the word or sentence or paragraph you need to strike format, and you have an option here. So if it is in this, you just click on the drop menu and click on the strike through. Now you can see the line, the word becomes strike through, and you can also select this for an entire paragraph or sentence. Just click on the icon, automatically it changes to strike through. So by using this simple option, you can use this Strikethrough format in WPS Office Writer. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office Writer, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.